Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024 Toyota Supra. As the automotive world anticipates the latest releases for 2024, the Toyota Supra emerges as a compelling contender among the best luxury sports cars of the year. Renowned for its thrilling performance and sleek design, the 2024 Toyota Supra promises to redefine the driving experience by seamlessly blending luxury and performance in a single package. The 2024 Toyota Supra arrives with a striking design that reflects its performance-oriented nature. With its low-slung profile, sculpted lines, and aggressive front fascia, the Supra exudes a sense of athleticism and sophistication that commands attention on the road. From its sleek LED headlights to its aerodynamic rear spoiler, every detail is crafted to evoke a sense of speed and excitement. Under the hood, the 2024 Supra boasts a powerful turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to impress drivers. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and finely tuned suspension, the Supra offers precise handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to tackle corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Toyota Supra also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, ergonomic design, and a range of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel connected and in control at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the Toyota Supra represents the perfect fusion of luxury and performance, offering drivers a thrilling driving experience without compromising on comfort or sophistication. Its sleek design, impressive performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Toyota Supra stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Japanese engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.